my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing January's base BoxyCharm. I'm so happy that I actually got it on time, so thank you so much BoxyCharm for sending it earlier this month. Alright, let's just get into it. So this month's theme for BoxyCharm is Fresh Start, because it's a new year. I love the rose gold going on there, and I think I did incorporate it in my makeup, and I freaking love it so much. The first item here is the eyeshadow palette. We had the option between two palettes, and I got the Ciaté London Velvet palette. It's so beautiful. I actually like both palettes. The other one was more green. I did like it. I didn't mind which one I was gonna get, but I'm so happy that I got this one. It's so pretty. The packaging is cute. When you take out the palette, the packaging of the palette is actually really, really beautiful. It has a dusty rose on top with the rose gold logo on it, and the back is like a gold. I love how compact the packaging is. When you open it up, you got this beautiful mirror right here, which you can fit both of your eyes. I use this palette to do my makeup and I loved it. You got 12 beautiful, amazing, soft, pigmented eyeshadows. They're so freaking beautiful. They go on your skin so smooth, and when you touch them, you can actually feel how soft it is. The matte ones are also really smooth, and they also are very pigmented. I did use an eyeshadow base for what I'm wearing on my eyes, only because I always want to wear an eyeshadow base to prevent any creasing throughout the day. All the colors are there. I freaking love it. I don't have anything bad to say about this palette. It actually does not have names for the eyeshadows. I love it because you have a mix of metallics, matte eyeshadows, and shimmery eyeshadows. I feel like my favorite one is this one, and that's the one I apply to kind of like cut the crease. This kind of palette made me want to do my eye makeup subtle and super simple, and was so fast and easy to do. You have beautiful eyeshadows to play with to make a daily look or to make an evening look, and I love that. It's actually also a new launch by the brand. I do believe I have lipsticks from them, but I never owned a palette, and I'm so happy that I got this one. This palette retails for $30. Next, we have here a skincare product, which I am obsessed with. This is the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with Moringa and Papaya. When I tried those, guys, I freaking fell in love with this. First of all, the box is pretty. The packaging is glass. This is heavy. And it has a little circle. I really love this because it allows you to have control of how much liquid comes out. You're gonna see when I do the tutorial, I have to kind of go like a sauce so that the liquid comes out. It says that it gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping your skin. Ideal for combination oily or acne prone skin. It tells you to swipe it on your face using a cotton pad, and oh my god, it felt good. It felt like it cleansed my skin, especially this area that tends to break out a lot because of my period. It does say it has moringa and papaya. I don't know what moringa is, but it has like a little plant, and it says moringa extract helps to purify skin by removing impurities and pollution. This is actually made exclusively for BoxyCharm. I have heard about this brand through BoxyCharm. They've had other products featured from this brand in their boxes. I just haven't received it. This is my first time receiving a product by Farmacy. This big guy retails for $28. Next, we have a product by Laura Geller. Another product by Laura Geller. I think this is my third product by Laura Geller. Yes, it is. The first item that I got was a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. And then I got a mascara. And now I got a highlighter. This is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. It's such a little palette. So little, but don't underestimate its power. When you open it up, it has a cute compact mirror in there and two big squares for the highlighters. I love this so much. The names are actually on the back of the palette. The first one is called Shimmer, and this one is called Sparkle. The first one is a regular highlighter. It's pearlescent. A lot of people will love that highlighter. The second highlighter is Sparkle. Not a lot of people are gonna like Sparkle because I know a lot of people that say, I don't like glitter on my highlighter. I don't like chunks of glitter. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. Honestly, I don't mind it. It's so beautiful. It's a Stardust Sparkle. If you don't like it for your face, you can definitely use it on your eyes. I didn't use it on my eyes because I already have a lot of glitter going on in my eyes. I actually used shimmer for my brow bone, and I used both. I mixed both of these for my cheekbones. I freaking love this. This little guy retails for $33. Next we have a Dr. Brandt product. This is the DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. DNA stands for Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt. I've actually heard about this brand, but I've never tried it, and I was so excited to try this out because this helps you to deeply hydrate your under eye area. And guys, if you follow me since the beginning, you guys know when I started getting my under eye allergy, and it comes and goes, and right now I'm still on it, so please ignore my under eye. I'm just trying to recover my skin because of the allergy. It dries it out so much. I need the hydration underneath the makeup. If I'm at home, I'm not gonna wear makeup. I don't look like this. I look like a little homeless lady.
Bundle myself up like a little homeless lady.
I still do my skincare, but I don't do my brows. I don't wear concealer. I brush my hair, obviously, sometimes. But during those days is when I mostly take care of my skin, so that whenever I come back and film for you guys, my skin is ready for those days, you know? I've also been taking allergy medication because it's still been itchy. It's kind of reacting a little bit, not as much as other times where I just get so discouraged and I don't want to apply makeup. So this little guy came in handy. I love the texture of this eye cream. I hope it helps me recover my skin. It helps you diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles. I'm so excited about that. And puffiness for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. So I'll let you guys know if it's a must. I will definitely post it on my Instagram stories. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. This little guy retails for $82. And the last item in the box is by a brand I did not know of. It's called Balm. This is the Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Guys, it's like BoxyCharm knows what I'm missing. My lips are getting chapped. They get dry, especially because of winter. I'm so happy that BoxyCharm was able to add a lip balm in this box, and it's the perfect size to put it in my jacket or in your purse. This smells really nice. It smells citrusy, and you can actually smell a little bit of the coconut. It smells so sweet. It's not like super citrusy, you know, like a bad citrusy. It smells sweet. I love it. I love the consistency on it. It looks a little bit thick, but once you put it on your lips, it just melts down on your lips and it just feels so hydrating. I loved it. I used this before I did my makeup. Its essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. This little guy retails for $33. And that was everything in the box, guys. I love that we got a little bit of everything, but my favorite item has got to be the palette and the toner. Okay, I'm just gonna stop here because otherwise I'm gonna say, oh, and the eye cream and the lip balm and the highlighter, and I'm never gonna stop and I'm never gonna have a favorite. So my favorite item this month is the palette. I freaking loved it. What is your favorite item this month? Let me know in the comments down below. The total value of all of these 5 products is $206. But if you are subscribed to BoxyCharm, you will not pay $206. You will only pay $25. So you're getting a lot of product for free in there, and you also get to test out new brands. Alright guys, so that completes this video. We still have the tutorial. I'm gonna leave it at the end. It's not talk through. It's just to show you guys how I did my makeup with the items that I received. So if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!